right, Big Zeke, here we go for your big day, buddy. Zeke, you see Mom?
Yeah.
Are you excited to get your braces today, Big Zeke? Oh, Big Zeke, it's your big day getting your braces, dude. Yay! Here comes the cheering squad. Hey, guys! Cheer squad. Yes. Are you guys excited to see Zeke get his braces on?
Yeah.
Yay! Hey, Chappy!
Hi, Daddy.
Thanks, Chappy. Let's go get Zeke's braces on, y'all. Let's come on in and get Zeke started. The toothpaste is already in the brush, so go ahead and just wet it. Go ahead and wet the toothbrush. Go ahead and brush, and you're gonna see the paste is gonna kind of foam up there. Here you go. All right, Zeke, let's get some updated x-rays for you here, okay?
Hi, I'm Big Zeke.
Good. Awesome. It's a middle chair right here, and I'll be right with you to take your scan, okay?
Yeah, you'll see Zeke's teeth there. Victoria's taking a scan of Big Zeke's teeth. What do you think about that, Elo? Great job, Big Zeke. We blocked off the lunch schedule here today for Big Zeke to have the place to himself to get his braces on. Big Zeke, are you excited?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Exciting! Can't wait.
I'm so pumped for you, Big Zeke, and we got the whole crew here to watch Zeke get his braces on. Today, it's Ezekiel's turn to go ahead and get his braces going. So we're super pumped. And Big Zeke is 9 years old. Usually at this stage, between like 7 to 10 years old, I'm pretty conservative. I try not to do too much at that younger stage until all the adult teeth come in. However, Big Zeke, his front teeth came in kind of forward, and I've been watching them like do I want to bring them back in? On our family vacation, Zeke had a run-in with a pool wall.
Wah, wah, wah. Pool wall 1.
And
Zeke's
unfortunately-
tooth. Let me see it. Zeke's tooth.
Unfortunately, we did
0.
get a bit of a chip along his upper right central incisor. So I decided it's time. We're gonna close those gaps, tuck those teeth in, get his smile looking great, and protect those teeth from getting bumped again by another pool wall. So we're gonna rock and roll. We're gonna get these braces on, and you're gonna get to see what it's like putting braces on and how Zeke feels, okay? Let's go along for the ride. Here we go.
Yeah, chef. Look like that. Ooh, okay, what is this?
All right, so I just applied the etchant to the teeth, which kind of prepares and cleans the tooth surfaces.
Okay, so what are you doing now? What is this?
All right, so I cleaned the teeth with the etchant, and now I am applying the primer, and the primer goes down into the little dental tubules, microscopically adhering so that when I put the glue on the brace, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of glue on the back side of the brace here. That little glue adheres with the primer that I just applied to the tooth, and when I go ahead and I put the bracket on, that is going to adhere nicely to the tooth. However, the glue is still very pliable at this moment, so I can move it to where I need it to be.
So does this hurt? Not at all, huh?
Now, this part's super easy.
So you can expect that it's not going to cause any pain or discomfort while you're getting your braces on.
Correct. It's very, very easy getting the braces on. Getting used to them can sometimes be a little bit of a challenge, but usually it just takes a couple of days. And then it just becomes the new normal, and it's like no big deal anymore. Pretty cool, huh?
So step 1 is getting records. Step 2 is putting on these cheek retractors. Step 3 is then putting that primer and that glue and then getting that brace on. And then what is this step 4 process?
So this light right here cures
cool.
the glue. It is super cool. It's an ultra high powered light. And once this light hits that glue, it solidifies immediately. And that brace is gonna stay right where we need it.
Wow, it kind of looks like a robot light. Little robot.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
You are from the future. Next one. Zeke, you're so cute.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Say hi.
I love you, Shep.
You like this? Is this
see
fun?
Zeke's
Oh,
teeth?
you got Zeke's hand.
That's very nice.
Are you helping
Shep.
Zeke?
That's very nice.
Oh, so sweet, Shep. Zeke, with your eyes, tell me how you feel. That means happy, right?
You're a good boy, Zeke. I love you, man. Super proud of you, buddy.
Okay, I love my husband because he always has the best socks. Look at that.
Oh, I've got my dentist socks on today.
Ooh, teeth,
Teeth socks.
brush,
Yes.
and I can't
Toothpaste.
look at it.
Yes.
Dental mirror.
Yeah, we gotta rock the dental socks when we're at the office, right?
Aw, this is such a special memory for you guys. Okay, you want to see something funny? When our kids were first learning how to read, do you see how that says Dr. Danny Bass, DMD-MS? Our kids were sounding things out, and he came home one day, and they said, Dr. Danny Bass, dum-dums.
A great memory.
Dum-dums. And so now,
Memory.
family joke, there was like,
Still, okay?
oh, Dr. Danny Bass, dum-dums. Definitely one of the perks. I love family hangout in the Ortho Bay. Like, Zeke, you're doing so great, buddy.
Doing a great job, Big Zeke. So good, buddy.
And my
so good.
super handsome, amazing husband.
Oh, is that me? Hey, I guess so, huh? All right.
And the last one.
Last one, guys.
You got special treatment, Zeke.
We closed down the clinic
VIP.
at lunch.
Clinic closed, VIP treatment, Zeke. How do you feel?
VI Zeke.
VI Zeke. VI Zeke.
All right, Big Zeke, let's get this thing out of here, dude. Yay!
Zeke, does this part hurt at all? No.
No.
Good.
All
All right, so
right.
the next step is what?
So now
Daddy
I'm
orthodontist.
sizing up the wire for Big Zeke, and we are going to engage a wire into all these braces. And the wire is what is going to actually move the teeth for us. So this wire is super flexible. You can bend it in any which way, and it pops right back to its original shape there.
Cool.
So these are very elastic in nature, so I can bend it and tie it into all the crooked, rotated, misaligned teeth, and then the wire is slowly exerting a gentle, light pressure to continually align the teeth exactly to this perfect arch shape here.
Cool.
Pretty awesome.
Pretty cool, huh?
Super cool. The other very important thing is that you get to pick your colors.
Yeah. Woo-hoo.
So Zeke's favorite colors are red and black. So we're gonna go ahead and dress Zeke's braces in red and black today.
Awesome. Zeke, cool color.
So the wire goes into the little slot in the brace, and then the little color just kind of wraps around the brace like this. Each brace has 4 little kind of little tie wings, and you just stretch it out across there like that. And then we're gonna do that for.
Wow, let me see. Zeke smile. Oh, wow.
So we got one black, and now the next one we're going to do red. So you can see the wire is kind of out of the bracket right now.
Yeah.
I'm going to sort of push it into this little bracket slot. I don't know if you could see it sort of just dropped into that slot right there.
I see
So so that is going to definitely be exerting a nice gentle force to align these teeth and get them nice and straight. So we got red and black, and we're gonna do a little kind of red black to get them all dressed up.
So what is that stuff that goes if anything ever pokes him or anything like that?
So yeah, we've got wax that we're gonna get for Big Zeke here, just in case if anything's like irritating him, he can put the wax on.
Surfboard wax.
Oh, surfboard wax. That's your favorite kind of wax, isn't it, Abe?
Yep.
Yeah, man.
My
You crush
least
those
favorite
waves.
is what about bee wax?
All right, Big Zeke, we got you all braced up. You are looking so good. You can see the wire, if you look at it, kind of goes down and up and in and out. Slowly over time, that super elastic wire is gonna bring all these teeth together, and we'll show you guys along the journey here. Zeke, congratulations, buddy.
Yeah!
You did it, man. I'm so proud of you, Big Zeke.
Yay,
So
Zeke!
proud of you, Big Zeke.
Smile, smile.
Congratulations,
Woohoo!
buddy.
Oh, you look so handsome.
Zeke, come see it in the mirror.
You look so cute. You want to go see?
Come on, Zeke, come see.
Bum, ba-dum,
Zeke's
bum,
first look.
Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Zeke, what do you think?
Cool.
Cool.
What was my teeth?
You look great. Well, congratulations, Zeke. All right, guys. Well, Zeke just got his braces on. Zeke, you did such a great job. I'm so proud of you, Big Zeke. How do you feel?
Radical.
Radical. Awesome. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Zeke just got his braces on. Zeke, I'm so proud of you. You did a great job, and can't wait to show you Zeke's smile transformation. All right. Love you guys. Congratulations, Big Zeke.
Family squish hug. Oh.